Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create TikTok shop account. So let's first start with the step number 1, which is go to TikTok Seller Center and click sign up. So from here just choose your business type. It can be individual or corporation. So you can select your country or region and then enter your email or phone number to create your account. Next step is complete the business verification by uploading required documents such as your government issued ID, business license, and any other verification documents requested. Next step is configure your shop profile, including your shop name, your logo, your description, and return policy. So this information will be visible to customers browsing your store. Next step is set up your bank account and payment method so you can receive earnings from your sales. So enter your bank name, your account number, and routing information. So please double check your bank details to avoid payment delays. Lastly is once verified, your shop will be active and you will see the Seller Center dashboard where you can manage your products, your orders, and you can also view analytics in here, and you can also start adding products to begin selling. So you can at least list 5 to 10 products to give your shop a professional appearance. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!